wanted to do a quick teaching on this oil. It's a blend by Young Living called Build Your Dream, if you can see it. And this is a powerful little blend right here. And if you look at the ingredients, which you've ever used an oil, a Young Living bottle, right here underneath is where the ingredients are. There are a lot of oils in this blend. The top oil is lavender and ylang ylang, and it goes all the way down. There's Melissa oil in it, which is very expensive, and sandalwood. There's even black pepper and juniper. And so those are some of the ones that are interesting to me because black pepper and juniper are oils that are specific for really pushing away negative energy and drawing back into your own field and your own sense of self. They're very protective from negative energy. And so I thought that that was interesting in this blend because if you've ever tried to pursue your dream, you know not only do you need the inspiration to have it and the creativity to see it through, but you also really have to kind of stave away all of the naysayers and the dream killers. And so I thought that that was interesting that this is in this blend. It smells really good. It's one of my favorites. I love to put it on my face. But you know, this bottle is it's not an inexpensive oil, but it has a lot of expensive oils in it. And so this bottle right here, wholesale price is $59. And so what I like to do to get the most out of it is actually make it a roller blend. And I typically pair it with abundance oil because you're really gaining the law of attraction, especially if your goal is around accruing a sense of financial prosperity. And then I like to add in lemon myrtle as well because lemon myrtle helps with procrastination. It helps you continue to move forward. If I was going to add one more oil, I would add Northern Lights Black Spruce because it really helps to break through limited mindsets and emotional blocks. Which, if you've ever tried to pursue a dream and you're up-leveling and it's asking more and more from you, sometimes we really need that additional support of getting, through our emotional blocks. And so what I call this blend is called the Stay Golden blend. And this blend helped me reach gold in Young Living last year. And so anytime that you're doing manifestation work like this and you're really wanting to see your dreams come through, though, you really have to do the work. You can't just expect the universe just to do it for you. It will give you breadcrumbs and you got to do the work. But the hope is that you'll start gravitating these opportunities to you with more of a sense of grace and ease than just like having to kill yourself and hustle, to the brink of exhaustion. And that is one of my goals this year is that I want to stop saying that it's hard. I want to embrace that success and peace and joy and harmony and prosperity, they come to me with a sense of grace and ease. And that goes along with really knowing that I can't do everything. I can do all things, but I can't do everything, especially at once. And so this blend is going to draw these opportunities into your life. So you just want to be mindful that you really need to get clear on what your goal is and kind of draw a big circle around it. And scrutinize the things that come in and ask, like, is this opportunity lining up with my highest good at this time? Because if it's not, it could be an opportunity, but it could also be a distraction. So just because everything comes into your life doesn't mean it's the thing. Use your discernment, use your intuition, go back to your sense of sacred community, whether that's like, your friends or your church or your spiritual circle, and really get some insight from them, especially if it's a big deal. So, okay, let's go ahead and jump into how to use this blend. Okay, so it says you can dilute it. Like I said, I have been oiling since 2013, and I don't tend to dilute this blend. The only reason I would is because it's an expensive oil. And so what that would look like for me is I would take a empty roller ball and you just open it up, and I would put about 15 drops of it in there. Ugh. Okay. So I take it and I just add a few drops. And then I actually have rose oil already in here. that I diluted, but I wanted to blend them. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. There's only like 3 drops of rosehip oil in there, but it smells so strong. I gotta grab my carrier oil really quick. Okay, so this is Young Living's V6 carrier oil. And I'm just gonna turn it on open. And I love this one because of this. I can stick it in there and it makes it mess free. And I just pump it full. So now I have this blend, and you put it on here, and you just swish it around a couple of times. And then you can use it just like this. You can apply it in your hands because it has all of these great oils in it. You can use it for your face. So I like to apply it over my face, minding the eyes, definitely over the throat chakra and the heart center, because you know this is a big part of executing these dreams into reality. I love forearm application like this. And then you can always apply it on the bottoms of your feet, and then you can always roll it into your hands or put a drop of it neat into your hands. And oh, my hands went counterclockwise. There's obviously some work I need to do around this. And then you can take it and make a tent with your hands under your nose and inhale, okay? And so you could do it just like that, or you can take it one step further and make it even more energetically powerful. And the way that you do that is by the power of affirmation and your words. So I got into the Blue Book to look it up. And this is like my little oily Bible. I tend to go to this book more than anything in terms of oils information. And the emotion, the negative emotion that is tied to build your dream is feeling oppressed. And so the opposite side of that, so there's always a positive and negative reaction in our earthly realm. And so it is free, finding an aspect of yourself. All right, so there's oppressed, which is the negative side, free, which is the positive side. The location that it's held is heartstrings, which is about right here, right here. And so if you know how to do EFT with tapping, you can even tap on the location. But no matter what, your affirmation is, I follow my dream. And you want to say it out loud 3 times. I follow my dream. I follow my dream. I follow my dream. And then in any good law of attraction coach, which I'm a manifestation coach, any good law of attraction coach would tell you that you want to visualize yourself living into that dream. And the more emotion that you can place behind it, the more powerful that ability to manifest it becomes, because your emotions build the energy of it. And when you can see it and when you can feel it, it brings those opportunities into your existence even faster. And so this is a powerful oil for that. And all you have to do is just put it in your hand, inhale it, and say, I follow my dream. And so anytime that you're possibly feeling oppressed, what you want to do is get out your oil, take a deep inhale, and say, I follow my dream. Because what you're doing is you're essentially reestablishing these neurochemical connections in the brain. It's called neuroplasticity. And so you are changing what was once, oppression into freedom, and your mind will begin to see it and change it and adapt it. And when your mind changes, then your life changes. So I hope that this was helpful to you. You can always diffuse this oil as well. You can use your Young Living diffuser. Put just a couple of drops, maybe 2, into a diffuser, set it next to your bed while you're sleeping, and put your subconscious to work, because your subconscious mind is working while you're sleeping. And so give it some work, and ask yourself a question before you go to bed, and ask your subconscious mind that's like, I can break through these obstacles in my success because, and then go to bed, and you'll wake up and you'll be like, you'll figure it out because you gave your subconscious something to do while you're sleeping. So I hope that this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know. If you do not have a Young Living account and would like to join my team, Mystic and Mundane Essentials, which is modern essential oil usage the medicine woman way, then you can go ahead and click below, and I'll have a link, and you can join my team. We'd love to have you, and I'd love to support you. Again, my name is Lauren Burba Mystic, and I hope you have a happy new year. Thanks. Bye.